When air in a closed rigid container is heated, which of the following statements are correct? The answer is B. The pressure of the air increases. Unit of intensity level of sound wave? The answer is D. Decibel. What is the minimum distance should be kept between well and toilet pit? The answer is B. 15 meters. NICAM is A. The answer is C. Bilingual stereo audio system. Scales of angular velocity. The answer is D. Ratio of the reinforced concrete mixture. The answer is C. (1,000 watts is equal to). The answer is B. 1,000 divided by 746 horsepower. Feed pump of the diesel engine to be fixed on. The answer is D. On the fuel pump. Bronze is. The answer is C. An alloy of copper and tin. Select the group of suitable expressions of advantages of curing the concrete. The answer is D, A, B, C. C++ can be easily used too. The answer is C. Create object-oriented programming. What is the function of an air compressor? The answer is C. To increase the pressure of the air. This is the end of NDES TTI Aptitude Test Papers Questions with Answers Model Paper 6 Part 1 video. Hope to see you on Part 2 video. If you found this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in a comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Until next time, take care and happy learning. Thanks for watching.